Hey, what's up, everyone? It's your boy Ramon again, and we are back today with video number 10 of our 30 for 30 challenge. What are you guys doing? Over the next 30 days, we're helping 30 families start their journey to financial freedom. Now, in our last three videos, we've been talking about financial solutions. We talked about the importance of having cash flow over income. We talked about 1099 income. We talked about investment income. You see, the whole point of this 30 for 30 challenge is for you to one day get enough money for you to become an investor. All right, write this down. If you're not investing, you're not even on the road to becoming wealthy. If you're not investing, you're not even on the road to becoming wealthy. So in this last video, I want to introduce you guys to our 369 financial transformation, better known as income shifting. You see, on Wall Street, this is called income shifting. In the business world, this is called income shifting. Income shifting is simply moving your money out of the highest tax bracket, shifting it through a business of some type, then ultimately ended up with all of your money in the lowest tax bracket, which is investing. So you get to keep more of it. All right. Again, coming out of the highest tax bracket, which is also known as a W-2 or a job, shifting your money through a home-based business, also known as a 1099, and ultimately ended up with all of your money in the lowest tax bracket. You know, things such as dividends, stocks, bonds, mutual funds. You see, all of these things, they don't pay nearly the amount of taxes that you would have to pay versus you going out and working a job for that money. All right, that's called income shifting. So what we do in our 369 financial transformation is really simple. Within 3 days, we're going to show you guys some techniques that's going to increase your cash flow. Now remember, income is measured in dollars, but cash flow is measured in time. So can you guys imagine within 3 days, without you going out and earning some extra income, your cash flow increases? Man, that's awesome. Now, within 6 weeks, we're going to show you guys how to start earning 1099 income. Now, you want 1099 income because you get to pay yourself first, then you pay your bills or your expenses, and then you get taxed on what's left. You get to pay yourself first, pay your expenses, you know, things that you're going to pay for anyway, like your cell phone bill, your home internet bill, service and repairs you may have to your car, even the miles that you drive on your car or truck. All these becomes tax deductions now that you are earning 1099 income. Well, how much does it cost to start earning 1099 income? Well, for $34.95 per month, you have the opportunity to start earning 1099 income. That's right, I said $34.95 per month. That's like $1.17 a day. You have the opportunity to start earning 1099 income. Well, Ramon, what is it that you guys do? Well, you're looking at it. You share our videos, you share your videos, you refer people to your website, you share information that you're learning, and as a result, the company will pay you weekly and monthly bonuses. All right. So now that you have your cash flow up from strategy number one, you have your cash flow up. Now that you're earning 1099 income. Strategy number two, now that you're receiving weekly and monthly bonuses, now you take that money and you become an investor. You open up your brokerage account, which is strategy number three. All right. Now, I can't stress to you guys enough. We're not financial advisors. We are educators. We can't recommend investments for you. All right. So what we're going to do is we're going to teach you we're going to give you some financial education. We're going to teach you the language and the terminology. So when you get with an investor, when you get with someone who can get some investments for you, such as a financial advisor, you'll be able to recognize a good investment and choose the best investment for you and your family. All right. So the key word for today is 369. I want you to text me the keyword 369 to this number, 662-350-0632. Again, my number is 662-350-0632. Text me the keyword 369 if you're ready to start your journey to financial freedom, if you're ready to start your journey in this 30 for 30 challenge. All right? I see each and one of you guys at the top because the bottom is way too crowded.